Hey guys, this is my 1981 Casablanca Victorian. This thing used to be slumber quiet, but the slumber quiet was failing. So I decided to do a 3-speed conversion. It's got an earlier K4 on it. It's got some really nice hexagonal shades. Came on my Ritz Tangiers. Let's go ahead and turn it on low. See, it's nice. Got really nice dark stencil. Medium. Now I'm going to let you guys know. High speed is the most powerful high speed on any K55 powered Victorian I've ever seen. Got a nice medium. Here's high speed. This thing flies. It's more powerful than 200 RPM. Go ahead and turn it off and end the video. Thank you guys for watching.